Alright guys, so today I have another update on the shop that we're building, and that is, you probably noticed something new here. That is the air return for the HVAC system. So we are we got the skim, and we also got the drywall compound on and sanded. So hopefully soon, let's go over into the service closet. As you can see, that we have an extra piece of duct right here. Yeah, and this is the air return right here, and that leads to the air filter. And there's another air filter on the side right here. Yes, and the guys that came in suggested that I vacuum the shop, so I did with my rigid wet dry vac over there. Okay, see, there it is. Yeah, and let's take this off for a second. I can never get this. Never mind. All right, so you can see that there's already an air filter. There is the here's the piece of OSB that was you saw in the background. So direction. Let's see. Airflow, yeah, airflow is that way. So put that back on. This is not the best type of air filter to use in the spring. I prefer HEPA because, you know, there's a lot of pollen going around. It hasn't come here yet. Hold on, let me get this back on. Alright, so that's back on, and so I just found out that my dad and I can start building this wall right here. But I don't know how long it's going to take because we have to get the studs in to frame in the studs, frame the wall, get the insulation in, put up more sheetrock, and then apply more compound. That's going to suck, but it's going to take a while. But I'll let you know when it's all done. Yes, and oh, so another trash find here. I found a Shark Navigator Liftaway Healthy Home Edition in the trash 2 days ago. And I noticed when I got it that the head was broken off. As you can see here. Look, it broke off. It literally broke off. It was like that when I got it. You see that, yeah, the people who had this must have bought this from Walmart and then beat the hell out of it, you know? But I have the canister and filter in here. Yeah, here's the canister. I cleaned it out, so maybe I could, but overall I tested it and it has a good motor. Maybe I could swap that motor out with that one and put that motor that's in this one right here, because that one has a horrible sound. Yeah, but the filters look pretty new. Yeah, look. For instance, when I ever get a used Shark vacuum, like, the filters are not usually white, they're usually like a yellowish because they got dirt on them. There's the other filter that goes over it. So, but anyways, that does it for this video. You can just comment and subscribe for more.